Everybody can now generate their own solar energy. If you have already ruled out home solar panel as an alternative means of power because of its expensive price, then better think again. Indeed, solar panels nowadays, especially those that can be used to provide enough power for most of your appliances, are exorbitantly priced. The price of a system can run from $20,000 up to $50,000 depending on your energy needs. This is why many regrettably have to give up plans of setting up home solar panels on their rooftops. There are other means of acquiring solar gadgets without having to spend so much. First of all, there are many second-hand or used solar panels that anyone can buy from solar dealers. These are priced much less than the brand new ones but are still in good running condition. Is it okay to buy second-hand or used home solar panel for your home instead of buying a brand new one? Of course, especially if the used solar panel that you bought is still of good running condition. However, pass up on solar items that have major defects or damage on them. You might also decide on passing up on the old model type of solar panels on sale. Better think again. The older, very first home solar panels are the ones that are durable and really functioning well. They simply are such great buys, especially if used properly and well taken care of by the previous owner. As for the lifespan of a used solar panel, it can really be hard to tell. Some takes years and years before bogging down and needing some repair or a replacement on a spare part or two. Most of the time, the gadget is installed on the appropriate location or top of your roof and that's it. You let it be as it needs minimal maintenance. The main thing to do when buying used home solar panels is to avoid those that have damage on them, such as cracks and broken glass, moisture on the glass and damaged lines and connections. Unless you have extra cash to repair these defects, then it is best to steer away from these used solar products. If purchasing your own full system is outside your budget, indeed there is a more affordable way to take advantage of solar for your electrical needs. A product is now available where you can actually rent the whole solar panel system for no more than you pay the electric company for energy. You don't have to worry about maintaining the equipment or any of the other concerns that come with making an investment into solar power. All you have to do is pay a flat monthly rent. You generate your own renewable energy from the solar panels you rent, and this power offsets the power you were buying from your utility. Your savings can cover the monthly rent and even put money back in your pocket. And since your rent is locked in for up to 25 years, you can save significantly over time as electricity prices continue to rise. These are some of the benefits the customers receive. No upfront investment, no need to become a financial expert to justify your investment. No waiting for rebates. No headaches with the city and the utility. Let us handle the engineering, procurement, and construction. With our flat monthly rent and our performance guarantee, you can generate your own renewable electricity and pay for the rent with your savings. Since your agreement will show the amount of energy your system can generate, it is simple to calculate your savings. Hassle-free operating and maintenance, it's handled by the experts. Actual hedge against future utility price increases. You can lock in your rates for the electricity generated from the solar system at your home for a period of up to 25 years, far longer than the guaranteed rates offered by other electricity providers. Indeed, a solar panel, whether brand new, second-hand or rented, is definitely a wise choice as it helps you in minimizing your electric bills, helps the world's growing energy needs, and is especially an environmentally healthy and helpful choice.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.